Welcome back to Clearspeak Lab. If you want to eliminate 50% of your grammar errors in the SSC CGL, CHSL or MTS exams, you need to master one specific chapter, Subject-Verb Agreement. SSC is absolutely obsessed with this topic. In this video, we are going to look at 10 highly repeated exam questions testing these exact rules. We will do it fast, direct answers, one-line logic, and no time wasted. Keep your notebooks ready and let's jump straight into question number 1. Identify the segment containing the error. The captain along with his crew members were drowned. A. The captain. B. Along with his crew members. C. Were drowned. D. No error. The correct answer is option C. Were drowned. Here is the rule. When two nouns are joined by words like along with, as well as, together with, or accompanied by, the verb always agrees with the first subject. Here, the first subject is the captain, which is singular. Therefore, change were to was. Question number 2. Select the correct verb. Either the teacher or the students blank blamed for the mistake. A. Is. B. Was. C. Are. D. Has. The correct answer is option C. Are. Unlike the previous rule, when subjects are joined by either or neither nor, the verb always agrees with the nearest subject. The nearest subject to the blank is the students, which is plural. So, we use the plural verb are. Question 3. Spot the error. Many a student have failed the competitive exam. A. Many a student. B. Have failed. C. The competitive exam. D. No error. The correct answer is option B. Have failed. While the word many takes a plural noun and a plural verb, the specific phrase many a is always followed by a singular noun and a singular verb. Change have failed to has failed. This is a top-tier SSC favorite trap. Question 4. Fill in the blank. 10 miles blank a long distance to walk on foot. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. D. Have been. The correct answer is option B. Is. When a plural noun represents a specific quantity, distance, time, or amount of money is considered as a single collective unit. It takes a singular verb. 10 miles is treated as one single distance, so we use is. Question 5. Spot the error. One of my friends are working as an income tax inspector. A. One of my friends. B. Are working. C. As an income tax inspector. D. No error. The correct answer is option B. Are working. The structure one of plus plural noun means we are talking about a single person out of a group. Since the true subject is one, the verb must be singular. Change are working to is working. Question 6. Fill in the blank. Mathematics blank considered a tough subject by many. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. D. Have been. The correct answer is option B. Is. Names of subjects, diseases or games ending in S, like mathematics, physics, news, look plural but are inherently singular. They always take a singular verb. Question 7. Spot the error. A number of students were present in the online class. A. A number of students. B. Were present. C. In the online class. D. No error. The correct answer is option B. Was present. Note this down clearly. The phrase a number of means many and always take a plural verb. Change was to were. However, if the sentence used the number of, it would take a singular verb because it refers to a specific numeric figure. Question 8. Fill in the blank. Bread and butter blank his favorite breakfast. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. D. Have been. The correct answer is option B. Is. When two singular nouns are joined by and but represents a single combined idea or item like bread and butter, rice and curry, slow and steady, they are treated as singular and takes a singular verb. Question 9. Spot the error. Nothing but trees were seen in the valley. A. Nothing. B. Trees. C. Were seen. D. No error. The correct answer is option C. Were seen. When a sentence begins with nothing but, the noun following it can be singular or plural, but the verb is always singular because the true emphasis is on nothing. Change were seen to was seen. Question 10. Fill in the blank. The behavior of the students blank highly commendable. A. Were. B. Was. C. Are. D. Have been. The correct answer is option B. Was. Do not get confused by the word students right next to the blank. The real subject of the sentence is the behavior, which is uncountable and singular. So the verb must be was. This is our 10 rules done. Now your homework challenge. Spot the error in this sentence. The quality of these mangoes are not good. Drop your corrected sentence in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe to Clearspeak Lab to keep your schedule steady, and I will see you in the next class.